Welcome back to Possum Jeep Adventures. Today we are doing more of a arts and crafts type activity. Welcome back to Possum Jeep Adventures. Today we are doing a more arts and crafts activity. We have this canvas dog bed that we got from Murdoch's a while back. The dogs love it, but it's not quite the right size to fit in the back of my Jeep. I have a sewing machine, so I thought, why not make my own dog beds? So today I'm starting off with the lining, the inner piece that'll hold the squishy stuff to make it all nice and comfy. So I've just started with some high quality cotton, and I've just sewn on, I have basically 4 panels, so 2 of these right now. And then I have to work on getting them together, so geometry is fun. So I will work on that, and then we will stuff those and make the inner pillow. And then I got this heavy-duty canvas fabric, actually off of Amazon, and it was essentially the perfect size for what I needed to do in the back of my Jeep. So it's just a little over 2 yards long, I think. But essentially I'm making 2 dog beds. So that way when I have my sleeping mat set up in the back of my Jeep, I can take one dog bed out, and that's where my sleeping mat goes, and then the other one stays and the dogs have somewhere to sleep, because I'm a nice mother like that. And then to kind of make it a little more waterproof, I ordered these waterproof zippers off of Amazon. And again, this will get sewn in, so that way we can take the inner pillow in and out, so we can wash the outside, because it's supposed to be like waterproof, blah, blah, blah. But we all know that those things wear down over time and dogs are messy. So we wouldn't be able to have the ability to wash it every now and then. So let's get started. All right, well, I've got the inner lining done. Might have screwed up one stitch, but that's okay. I didn't feel like ripping it out, and you know what? The dogs don't care. So I did leave a hole, so let's go stuff it. All right, I've got this stuffing that actually came from a mattress pad cover thing that I got a while back, and turns out it is waterproof, but it's not really washable. So somebody had an accident on it, couldn't really get the stain out. It's fine, whatever. So it's just been sitting in here, and I was like, hey, I can use the stuffing from that for my dog beds. So let's get to stuffing. All right, I have got the inner pillow done. I just set it over here, but there it is, all nice and put back together, nice and squishy. We won't let the pups lay on it until we have the outer liner done. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my pieces for the outer liner. I'm going to have a top and a bottom and then sides, so that way it has a little bit of structure. So let's get to cutting. All right, so I got my side panels all sewn together, and I also went ahead and sewed in the first part of the zipper on the side panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the non-zipper side and go ahead and pin in the top panel and sew that in. So we will see how that goes. Pray for me because it's going to be a little crazy. Thanks. Welcome back. I've got the dog bed finished. So it's not perfect, but the stuffing is in. Zipper is successfully in. And yeah, I think all in all, it turned out really good. I am not a seamstress by any means. So I won't be posting any patterns or anything. Actually, there's already a hole I see that I need to fix because I must have missed one of the corners. But that's okay. I think the main thing that matters is that the dogs will have a comfy space in the back of the Jeep while we're off-roading, and that it's custom for my vehicle. So I'll show the beds in the Jeep in another video, so keep an eye out for that. And until then, remember, Diaz does it.